What do you say, guys? American High Point here with you. So today we're doing a review on the Harbor Freight scroll saw. This guy right here. So I couldn't find many reviews on this. It's actually made by Central Machinery. So never heard of them. I've used this for a few days now. Got it out of the box. It does come with blades. The blades are not the best. So the blades that I'm using right now are the skill blades. So they're pretty good. Now, as far as accuracy goes, it is and it ain't. You want to make sure that your blade is straight, because when I got mine out of the box, my bottom piece was kind of cocked and the blade was going like this right here, and it was not cutting straight. So let me get into this and I'll show you how it cuts, how it does with the skill blades in it, and you can decide for yourself if you want to buy one, or if you're interested in looking for a scroll saw, maybe a little outlook on what they can do. So today I am cutting 1-inch pine boards, be cutting a snowman out of it. We're doing a little project with the NICU, little Christmas fundraiser. We're gonna buy all of the NICU parents a gift this Christmas in the NICU. So we're just doing little projects. We're gonna sell them, things like that. So let's get into it. I'll show you how this thing cuts. All right, guys. So this saw originally ran me about $70 with a coupon from Harbor Freight. So by saying that, it is reasonably cheap. I mean, this is the cheapest scroll saw that I could find. I looked on Amazon, I looked everywhere else, and I could not find it any less than $70. So, like I said, we're gonna be cutting a snowman out of this 1-inch pine board. So let's give it a try, and I'll show you all how it cuts. Okay guys, it would take me far too long to cut out this whole piece, so I know you all don't want to watch that, but that right there is about how it cuts. Now you can see, did miss a little bit right here. Now the problem with this is, and the problem that I've noticed, is that this presser foot right here that's supposed to keep tension on the wood. So when you put the wood in there, this is what keeps it from hopping up, and then you tighten it down. Well, the problem with this is this presser foot is angled. I don't know whether it's bent or if it's supposed to be that way, but you have to really loosely put it on there, and it's to the point where, I mean, you really have to force it to get it to go anywhere. And when you're doing that, you actually flex this blade back and forth. And with flexing that blade back and forth, it's not going to make your cut as smooth and straight. You're going to have kind of jagged lines as you're cutting. So, I mean, I found it better not to use this, but you got to be really careful because this also, it's a stop for your hand too, kind of, so you don't run your finger through the blade. I mean, you see how it's cut in 1-inch board. These things are not safety oriented. I mean, these blades are pretty much open. You can run a finger through it, so you got to be attentive when you're actually doing something like this. But besides that, I mean, the saw, I mean, it does its job. It does what it should do. It's not bad for the price. So would I recommend it? Yeah, I'd recommend it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, and then I'll get back with you all with the finished product. Alright guys, there's the finished product. So, like I said, for 70 bucks, not bad. It got a little out of control here, but like I was saying in the earlier footage, that presser foot gets in the way. I did it so it's down to show you. This is the side that I did without the presser foot. This is the side I did with the presser foot, and obviously this is definitely not cut out as clean as this right here. So, something to be aware of, guys. But awesome little piece of machinery. 70 bucks, you can't beat it. So until next time, American Hype 1 out.